Was the Lecompton Constitution the only proposed constitution for Kansas? Have you ever wondered about the different paths Kansas could have taken in its early history? The Lecompton Constitution is often highlighted, but it was not the only proposed constitution for the state. In fact, it was the second of four constitutions put forward during the period leading up to Kansas's statehood. The Lecompton Constitution was drafted in 1857 by pro-slavery advocates in the territorial capital of Lecompton. This document was strongly pro-slavery and aimed to protect slavery within Kansas. It included provisions that guaranteed slaveholders' rights to their slaves and barred free black individuals from entering the state. This constitution stirred up a lot of controversy. It was created by a convention that was heavily dominated by pro-slavery delegates, and free state settlers who opposed slavery boycotted the convention. The Constitution was approved in what many considered a rigged election. However, it faced a significant setback when Kansas voters overwhelmingly rejected it in a subsequent vote in 1858. Ultimately, the Lecompton Constitution never went into effect. But what about the other constitutions? The first proposed constitution was the Topeka Constitution, drafted in 1855 by free state settlers. This anti-slavery constitution was an early attempt to establish Kansas as a free state, but it was not recognized by the federal government. Next came the Leavenworth Constitution in 1858, which was also anti-slavery and more progressive. This document even extended voting rights to black men, but like the Topeka Constitution, it was never adopted. The final proposed constitution was the Wyandotte Constitution in 1859. This was a free state constitution that was accepted and ultimately led to Kansas's admission to the Union as a free state in 1861. The Lecompton Constitution is historically significant because it represented the pro-slavery faction's attempt to impose slavery on Kansas despite strong opposition. Its rejection highlighted the intense conflict over slavery in the region, a key issue that contributed to the tensions leading to the American Civil War. The struggle over these constitutions reflected the broader national conflict between pro-slavery and anti-slavery forces during the 1850s. So, while the Lecompton Constitution is often remembered for its controversial nature, it was just one of several proposed constitutions for Kansas. The other constitutions played important roles in shaping the state's future and its eventual status as a free state.